Good evening. Welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark announced Wednesday that businesses will soon be able to use monies owing to them as collateral. He says a team was appointed to look into the matter last year and its recommendations are being considered.
Everywhere else in the world, or certainly in mature economies, asset-backed financing is a reality. If you have a business in Florida or in Europe and your assets constitute receivables and inventory, you can access financing on those assets and on those assets only. In Jamaica, to do so, you'd have to do so by virtue of something they call a debenture, which is is like taking a hammer for a small problem.
Under the regulations of the central bank, receivables are not permitted to be used as collateral. But Dr. Clark argues that receivables and inventories are the largest assets of most firms. It's Wednesday, so we go to our gas tracker. There will be no change in the price for 87 and 90 gasoline this week. However, automotive diesel is up by $1.10 and ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost 47 cents more. The price of kerosene will go up by $1.10. Propane is down 42 cents, while butane will cost 31 cents more. JMMB CEO Keith Duncan has been elected president of the PSOJ at a council meeting. He was elected today and succeeds Howard Mitchell, who served from 2017. Joining Mr. Duncan are Vice Presidents Jackie Sharp, Jeffrey Hall, Mariam Robinson, and Vikram Diman. Bulgarian economist Kristalina Georgieva has been selected as the new managing director of the International Monetary Fund, IMF. Ms. Georgieva, who was previously chief executive of the World Bank, becomes the first person from an emerging economy to lead the IMF. She will succeed Christine Lagarde, who is leaving to become head of the European Central Bank. Ms. Georgieva was the only nominee for the job. We go on to currency trading. Today ended with the US dollar selling for $135.34. The Canadian dollar is now going for $102.46. The pound, $166.72, while the euro now sells for $149.82. On the stock market, the JSE index lost 1,985 points today, and the junior market index went down by 33 points. Among today's winners, Wigton Wind Farm, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Consolidated Bakeries, AMG Packaging and Paper, and Proven Investments. On the losing side, Pulse Investments, Caribbean Cream, T-Tech, General Accident Insurance Company, and 1834 Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.